All right. Happy Thursday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. All right, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths, move the energy around, release some tension if we have any, and open ourselves up. So follow me, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Woo! I needed that. I definitely had quite a long day, which is why I'm doing audio only today. I definitely have fun doing the videos. However, my day was very long and drawn out today, and I just wanted to make sure I jumped in here and did the daily for us and get in today's message. For those of you, first off, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. For those of you who are new to me, my name is Lisa Puerto. I am an active licensed California real estate professional, international speaker, public educator, agent trainer, creator and founder of many cool projects and things and books and so forth. You can learn more about what I'm up to at LASuperAgent.com. Make sure you're connected with me on all of your favorite social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn at LA Super Agent. Shout out to our radio podcast listeners as well for tuning in on iTunes, Anchor, Apple Podcasts, Google Play, Stitcher, Breaker, Castbox, and keyword Ready Set Real Estate or LA Super Agent, and it'll pop right up for you. If you prefer doing mobile university, I highly recommend it. It's much easier. Turn on the subscribe and it'll upload right when I upload the new episodes, and it'll just pop right into your phone or tablet and or PC. I think there's definitely an option for RSS feeds as well. All right, I want to say thank you to my family and friends. I love you all, and thank you for supporting my wild ideas. For those of you, I think I shared yesterday that I went and did my first audition. It was just, I tended, my mantra in life is I might as well, let's see what happens. And I saw an opportunity and I jumped ahead and I went to check it out. And so today I got a call back. So I'll be heading out to do my callback audition tomorrow. So that's progressing. I'll keep you posted to see if I lock in the project. And this for me is just, continually stepping out and having my soul experience what it came here to experience, which is all life's human potential. And we are continuing our series from Shift Your Thinking with Dean Del Sesto, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And you guessed it, there are 200 ways in this book, which means we will complete 200 episodes as a part of this series. And it's just so you know, for those of you who are listening to Shift Your Thinking, this is a bonus series on the Ready Set Real Estate platform. Ready Set Real Estate airs on Wednesdays, and thank you for subscribing to that. Tons of real estate content, webinars, shows, special guests, flips, flops, booms and busts as it relates to real estate, and the raw and uncut, telling it like it really is. Okay, let's jump into the message. I'm going to caption this episode, believe it or not, we are on our episode 135. So if you're just getting hip to me, you've got some catching up to do. Episode 135, and I'm going to caption this. Ooh, this is easy. This is easy. We are going to caption this. value the present. Value the present. Drop down in the comments below, value the present. The author says, ironically, having a vision can actually be a poison to the present. Yeah. This is me finding the balance between being very creative, very visionary, and then also having the gift. I am a clairvoyant, so having the gift of foresight and being able to see things that yet have not come to pass, and then waiting for everyone else to catch up. Yeah, story of my life. I don't think it's a poison. I don't think it's a curse either. I just think for me, it tends to force me to find this balance with making sure my feet are planted on the ground on planet Earth. And that's why my second quarterly goals have been making sure I'm planting my feet in the sand. Literally, I've been going to the beach once a week. I am due for that trip this week, and I'll make sure I get it in. I have not done it yet for this week, but I am due for it. And looks like tomorrow I'll probably get that in after my casting call edition. All right, so let's continue. He says, as I alluded to earlier, every powerful thing has two sides. One is the value it provides. The other is when it goes too far and becomes a weakness or an obstacle. For example, a vision for the future is a great thing until it blurs the value. Type in the comments, blur the value and possibility of what's in the present. He says it can make all things in real time seem meaningless or irrelevant. The result is people and things become nothing more than a way to get what you want, and you begin the process of using people rather than loving and caring for them in ways that matter. He says in almost every successful visionary's life, you'll find a common theme. I was so wrapped up in my future, I missed the relationships that mattered most. That was my life's biggest failure, and all the money in the world can't buy back what was lost. Oh, I can really appreciate this because I had made a very intentional effort to sign my son up for baseball, organized baseball. And today was the first day practice, which is why Shift Your Thinking is happening a little later. This is me saying, where am I going to make the adjustments? While I'm a visionary and I'm all in the future and I'm doing all these things, I wanted to make sure that I'm in the present. I can always gain clients. I can always make money. What I can't give back is the time when he's 8, the time when he's at this age, the time when we can do activities like this. This I won't be able to get back, so I'm being very intentional to be present in his life. And so this message for me hits home. The author says, seems like quotes like this are infused in just about every successful person biography ever written. Unfortunately, it's usually the family that pays the price. Somehow, in the trance and execution of the vision, life balance gets shelved, and having a life where all things are maturing and in good health seems impossible. He says the result is usually that one area grows full steam ahead while the others become collateral damage. The idea that all things in your life can grow at the same time with no one thing spiking at the expense of the others is possible if you're willing to view balanced growth as life's biggest success, even more specifically if you view it as your vision. All right, with that being said, and this just recaps one of the past episodes where I said, this myth of balanced life. There is no balance. There's something that's going to pay the price of you excelling in work, in marriage, in your relationships, in your career, in your goals. Something else is going to pay the price while you vest your energy and your time on doing that. Do not feel guilty about it. Accept that it is part of the soul growth. So I invite you today to just accept that it's okay for you to grow. And that is in any way, shape, or form. All right. Love you, love you, love you.